Good morning, student. I am Chandrasekhar. Today I am going to teach you class 7 subject maths. Today date 7th September 2020. This is 61st video part of class 7. Today topic Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem, what say all of you understand? Pythagoras was an eminent Greek philosopher who was born in 580 BC and died in 500 BC. He gave a wonderful relation between the length of the sides of a right triangle, which is known as Pythagoras theorem. In Pythagoras theorem, in a right triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of its remaining two sides. Now here triangle ABC, here angle C is 90 degree. So all of you know here vertex A, B, C. So opposite vertex to a small b, C a small c, and A vertex opposite to a small a. We denote. So Pythagoras theorem in right triangle, the square of the hypotenuse, this is 90 degree. So opposite of 90 degree, this side is known as hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse. So square in right triangle ABC, which angle C is equal to 90 degree, so we write AB square, this is hypotenuse, AB square is equal to, your statement also say, in a right triangle, the square of hypotenuse equal to the sum of a square of remaining two sides. So AB is the hypotenuse is equal to BC plus BC का square and A plus AC का square. If AB is equal to a small c, BC is equal to a small a, and AC is equal to a small b, so we write C square is equal to A square plus B square. This formula also we write, name AB square is equal to BC square plus AC square. Always remember, or other formula A square, C square is equal to A square plus B square. Also we write, now we derive this formula, A square is equal to C square minus B square, or B square is equal to C square minus A square. So this is, at first we find hypotenuse, so it is equal to sum of a square of two sides. Now one side we get this square of the hypotenuse minus a square of the other side. B square, a square of the hypotenuse minus a square of the other side. Now some important result also, you always remember, some important result in a right triangle, the hypotenuse is the longest side. This side, this is the hypotenuse, so this is the longest side. Always remember, hypotenuse is the longest side. Second result, of all the line segment that can be drawn in the given line from a point outside it, perpendicular line segment is the shortest. Now converse of the Pythagoras theorem. If the square of any two sides of a triangle is equal to the sum of the square of other two sides, then the triangle is a right angle triangle. So this is your very important chapter. So all of you learn this formula. And now next topic in next class. Thank you. God bless.